All right, guys, we are just finishing up here. Actually, we are finished up here, and it is so bright right now. I can't see what I'm looking at. I can't even see if the camera's facing me, but I'm going to see if I can turn this around, just like I say in every video, which is nice because that means it's sunny. And all right, there we go. We are done here in Marblehead, Ohio on what is it? Johnson Island. Walt, Johnson Island? We are here on Johnson Island, and believe it or not, this little island, there's a one-way bridge getting in, and it's gated, so you need a passcode to get in here. So it's a really neat little town, and this used to be a quarry, and it's now a community. So this is the 6x8 bar you guys saw me talking about in the shop. We got an 8x10 synthetic thatch roof on it, Endure Reed Viva 3.0. Let's see what else we got here. We got 8 Tiki Kev swivel bar stools. That's right, get your swivel bar stools. And in case you were wondering who did this, it's Tiki Kev. All right, and there's the roof. Ooh, there's a pole. All right, and the electricians just left. They just finished wiring to the bar, and we got everything hooked up. And we got the rope lighting. Had a little issue with the refrigerator, brand new refrigerator in the box. And my guys took it out, and it had a huge dent in it. There's Walt, last survivor. The other guys took off a couple hours ago. They left. We were done. Walt and I had to track down a refrigerator. And there was no Home Depots, no Lowe's on the island. So where'd we go? Sandusky? Yeah, I think we were Sandusky. So we found that. It's a very nice refrigerator. And we're going to wrap this up. And there's Rick. Rick, how do you like it?
I love it.
You love it? All right.
It's awesome.
You know that's video evidence if you're telling me how much you like it, right? So guys, we are done here. We're heading back to PA in the morning. And I think Rick just brought out a couple beers, and I think we're gonna have a couple. So from Marblehead, Ohio, Johnson Island, for the Tiki Kev crew, Walt, Daniel, and Shay. Those two left, like I said, and me. So love your questions. You guys got any comments? Love to hear those. And if you like my content, please like, share, and do whatever. All right. Tiki Kev out.